Okay, Nikki, so what I've done here, I ended up having to go back to the instructional materials to find one that would actually show up on the computer I'm on. But anyway, they were the same type of problem that you were asking me about, basically this monthly compounding that you were having a trouble getting calculated in your calculator. So what I've done here is I've jotted down the formula that you're very familiar with because, like I said, you've got all of these right. For some reason, the monthly ones aren't working. So what I'm going to do for you is basically put my calculator kind of right next to what we've got going on here and show you how I approach typing these in the calculator. It's kind of, I don't know, I kind of go overboard in that I don't put too much in the calculator at one time because I don't want to worry about it messing up the calculations that I want it to make. So in these types of problems, I start inside these parentheses here, and I would start with the 0.065, and I would then divide it by 12. And then I would see what that gives me because I certainly want it to divide those first, and then I would add the 1 to that decimal that I came up with. And then I would raise it to, this is going to end up being 36, right? So I normally just figure out what it is, multiply it together instead of having to type it out separately. And let me get where there's no glare, hopefully. And like I said, I think you understand most of how this operates because you wouldn't get all of them right if you weren't doing it mostly right. So what I've got in my calculator is this portion of the formula. I'm going to turn around and multiply that by the 15,000 that we see over there. And we're at $18,220.07, and that's exactly what I'm seeing that they got on here. So if you have any questions about what happened, just let me know.